Alright, so welcome back to my channel. So for a day now, we actually noticed that the Aura or Oracle of Time actually have not dropped any update, right? So we actually missed our 500 worth of Oracle, and that is something we need to check about. Alright, so if I want to earn more from this platform, and that is one thing I've been trying to like figure out, then I found this. So if you come back to this side, you're going to see staking and store. So they actually brought out this two option, and this is also a great way to actually benefit and also earn more right here. So we're going to get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be staking, right? So we said I'll stake up to a portion of your digital asset of the specific period of time to earn more, kind of. So I've done it before, then I'm doing another one again. So right, you can see I have staked about, this is the second stake I'm actually staking, and I actually staked it for 45 days, and I'm going to be waiting for the profit to actually load. So let's go ahead on how you can actually do this also. So the first thing you're going to be doing is to click on stake. So I have stake right here. I'm going to click on stake. Then you are going to see these. We have for 3 days, we have for 15 days, we have for 45 days, and you have to like click on the one you want to. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, you can start with 3 days. So I'm going to click on 3 days, right? So it's on 3 days, then I click on continue. So all I need to do is to click on the amount I really want to stake, right? So if I want to stake about 100 for a tutorial video, so even if you don't want to like click on the amount you want to stake, you can click on 20%, 25%. So you're going to take out 25% of your bonus, or you click on 50%, which is going to be taking about 50% of your bonus, or you click on 75 or maximum of your percent. So let's try it again. Let me click on 25%. All right, so let me just click on 25%, then click on continue. So right, so this is what I'm going to be earning, right? So for 3 days I'm going to be earning about 38 in this price equivalent to this, and this is just to actually help. So if you actually leave there, it's not going to be doing anything, but if you stake, you're still going to be getting more amount, right? So I'm going to click on stake, right? So once I click on stake, you can see it is successfully staked, and I have additional money right here. So let's go ahead into the other features. So right, this is the other features I want us to talk about, which is the store. All right, so for those who want to farm at maximum, so you need to like add some store, right? So this is what you're going to be needing. So first one is actually buy. You're going to see something like buy right here, and farmer assistance. We have two boosters, right? So this is what we're going to be needing. So for this one, we need 1 ton to get this done. So about 1 ton, and 1 ton is currently about $6 right here at the current market rate. And for this particular one, we are going to be needing about 0.2 ton, and for this one we are going to be needing 0.5 1 ton, kind of. So let me tell you how this is going to be working. All right, so for this particular farmer assistance, if you actually want to purchase, so once you click on this, is that 4 ton on or 500 star? I already make a video on how to buy star, so you can go to my video in the comment section to check out how to buy star right here. So I'm going to click on this, then you can see farmer assistant, right? So on the farmer assistant, right, you're going to see buy for 500 star on 1 ton. Then I'm going to click on 1 ton. So this is going to take me to my wallet, and I'm actually going to like connect and try to confirm if I'm going to be buying this or not. For this purpose, I'm currently not buying now, but I'm planning to buy very soon. So if you want to buy, you can actually do the same thing. So because I'm not buying, I'm not going to verify, so I just have to come back and get this done. So that is how. So if you have any question, just go straight to the comment section and drop a comment. I'm going to be making more videos about that for you to join. So do not forget to connect your wallet, because wallet address is actually available to get connected.